Hey you guys, I welcome you guys back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be making my Jamaican jerk chicken and festival. Now let's jump right into the video. First, what I do is I always cut off this little butt right here. Just cut that off, you don't want that. Then I go ahead and I cut my legs, like right here. That's where you want to cut. And the other leg, right here, where you see this fat or whatever, you're just gonna cut through that. This is very easy. And that's it. Then I'm gonna cut the wing. You just hold the wing like this and you just cut through it. Here. Cut through that. Then I'm just gonna cut the thighs. Just take out the extra fat because that's just not needed. So I'm attempting to cut my thighs and you can see the triangle right here. That. Yeah, that's just what I'm gonna cut. Here. It's very easy. There. So easy. Then like that, and I take out the back. I mean, sometimes you're just gonna have this one, just, you know, and then go like this. I cut through the breast. There you have it. You have the thigh right there. You have the legs right here, the wing right here, and that's our chicken. Less than a minute. Now what I have here is some water, and I'm just going to pour some vinegar in there just to cut the rawness from the chicken. So my legs, my breasts, my wing, and my thighs. And this is all it's gonna be, guys. Washing your chicken. You don't want your chicken to smell raw, so you just cut the rawness with some vinegar, or you can use lime or lemon juice to do that. Now you guys always see me cooking like a small amount of chicken. That's because I'm always cooking for myself, you know, so that's the reason why. So I'll wash it for the second time.
You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown, but we both know how to swim.
Okay, now guys, to season my chicken, I'm gonna use a Maggi all-purpose season, and you guys always see me using this season. This is because this is the season I use when I'm back home, and because this season is filled with so much flavor, guys. Absolutely love this season, so that's why you guys always see me using this season. I'm just gonna add some extra garlic to that. Black pepper. little bit of paprika. Some thyme. So I'm just gonna add my jerk season. Guys, I forgot I don't have any browning, so I'm gonna have to use some soy sauce. Okay guys, I mean, had you used a browning, it would have looked a bit browner, obviously. But because I don't have my browning, or I forgot to purchase browning, so you know, this is just how it looks. I'm just gonna let it marinate, then I'll proceed to put it in the oven.
Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be?
Guys, I also went ahead and I add some ketchup to the top of that chicken just to give it a bit of sweetness, and back in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now guys, all the ingredients for my jerk chicken and my festival will be listed in the description below, so you guys can go and check it out, okay? So now I'm just wrapping this and I'm just gonna let it cool for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now you're going to use your hand and you're going to form each piece into a cigar shape or a sausage shape, and you're going to try to make them about 6 to 8 inches long and not overly thick, because they will increase in size when frying. Now guys, it's time to fry these bad boys, and I'm going to fry them on medium heat. I'm just going to fry them until they are golden brown, about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. So now guys, we're going to be flipping those, and look at those beautiful golden color. Guys, this is the color you want your festivals to be, okay? So we're just going to cook those through for about 5 minutes, you know, so they can fully cook. Then you're going to have your prepared, you know, paper towel ready just to drain them off, just to drain the excess oil. And guys, this is our finished product, our jerk chicken and festival. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.